Did you know that your skin loses about 1% of collagen every year after the age of 30? By your 50s, your skin's needs are completely different than they were a decade ago. If you've been treating your skin the same way, it's time for a major update. Today, I'll guide you through the ultimate skincare routine designed specifically for women over 50. Let's unlock the secrets to glowing, resilient, and youthful skin. Your skin evolves as you age, and that's not a bad thing. It's simply a sign that your skin needs extra care and targeted solutions. After 50, hormonal changes, a decrease in collagen, and slower cell turnover can leave your skin feeling drier, thinner, and more prone to wrinkles. But with the right routine, you can support your skin's health and regain that radiant glow. In this video, I'll break down each step of a skincare routine crafted for mature skin, backed by science and easy to follow. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. A fresh start without stripping. Cleansing is often underestimated, but it's the cornerstone of any skincare routine. Mature skin tends to be drier because oil production naturally decreases with age, so using a harsh cleanser can strip your skin of its remaining moisture, leaving it tight and flaky. Why it matters. Hydrating cleansers remove dirt, makeup, and pollutants without disturbing your skin's natural barrier. Look for ingredients like ceramides, which help restore the skin barrier, or glycerin, which draws moisture to the skin. Pro tip. Use lukewarm water, not hot, to prevent further dryness. And always double cleanse at night if you wear makeup or sunscreen. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve products, then follow with a gentle water-based cleanser. Step 2. Hydrating toner. Lay the groundwork. Toners aren't just about pH balance anymore. For mature skin, a good toner adds a layer of hydration and prepares your skin to absorb serums and moisturizers more effectively. What to look for? Choose a toner with humectants like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, plumping up your skin and smoothing fine lines. Pro tip. Apply the toner with your hands instead of a cotton pad to minimize product waste and gently pat it into your skin for better absorption. Step 3. Targeted serums. High-impact ingredients for maximum results. Serums are where the magic happens in your skincare routine. These concentrated formulas target specific skin concerns like dark spots, fine lines, and loss of firmness. Top ingredients for women over 50. Vitamin C. A powerful antioxidant that brightens skin, fades dark spots, and stimulates collagen. Peptides. Help rebuild your skin's structure by signaling your cells to produce more collagen and elastin. Retinol. The gold standard in anti-aging, retinol smooths wrinkles, reduces pigmentation, and improves skin texture. Pro tip. Introduce retinol gradually to avoid irritation. Start with a low concentration, use it twice a week, and always follow with a moisturizer. Use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night for best results. Step 4. Moisturizer. Lock in vital hydration. As estrogen levels decline, your skin loses moisture and elasticity, making hydration absolutely critical. A good moisturizer not only softens the skin but also seals in the active ingredients from your serums. What to look for? Opt for a moisturizer rich in ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. For daytime, use a lightweight formula with SPF. At night, go for a richer cream with nourishing ingredients like squalane or shea butter. Pro tip. Apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp to trap in more hydration. Step 5. Sunscreen. The most important anti-aging step. If you're not wearing sunscreen daily, even indoors, you're missing out on the most effective anti-aging product available. UV rays are responsible for up to 90% of visible aging, including wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging. Key tips. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Choose mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide if your skin is sensitive. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. Pro tip. Don't forget areas like your neck, ears, and hands, which are often neglected but show signs of aging just as quickly. Step 6. Gentle exfoliation. Renew your skin without damage. Exfoliation is crucial for removing dead skin cells, but mature skin is thinner and more delicate, so overdoing it can cause irritation. The best options for mature skin. Chemical exfoliants. AHAs like glycolic or lactic acid gently dissolve dead skin cells without the harsh scrubbing of physical exfoliants. Frequency. Exfoliate once a week to start and adjust based on your skin's tolerance. Pro tip. Follow exfoliation with a hydrating serum to maximize the glow. Step 7. Eye cream. Care for the most delicate skin. The skin around your eyes is thinner and loses elasticity faster, making it prone to wrinkles and puffiness. A targeted eye cream can make a big difference. What to look for? Caffeine reduces puffiness and dark circles. Peptides boost elasticity. Hyaluronic acid plumps fine lines. Pro tip. Apply your eye cream with your ring finger using gentle, tapping motions to avoid stretching the delicate skin. Step 8. Nighttime treatments. Repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. Your skin's natural repair process is most active at night, making it the perfect time to use anti-aging treatments. Recommended products. A retinol night cream to smooth wrinkles and boost collagen. A nourishing sleeping mask with ingredients like ceramides for deep hydration. Pro tip. Pair your nighttime products with a silk pillowcase to minimize friction and prevent sleep lines. Bonus lifestyle tips for glowing skin. Skincare isn't just about what you apply to your face. It's about your entire lifestyle. Hydrate. Aim for 8-10 glasses of water daily. Diet. Include omega-3 rich foods like salmon and nuts to support your skin's lipid barrier. Sleep. Prioritize 7-8 hours of sleep to aid skin repair. Stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate aging, so find time to relax. Your skin is unique, and your 50s are the perfect time to focus on self-care and self-love. Which step are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips. And if you want even more details, check out the blog post linked below for a deeper dive.